It is like 4:05 right now. Games. Women's soccer is not till 6. We have a doubleheader today. Women's soccer, men's soccer. Women's at 6, men's at 8. But it's supposed to fucking rain hard, as you can kind of fucking see. So, 4 o'clock. I'm gonna head over early because it's supposed to start raining at like 4:30, which is when I typically head over. But I'm not trying to walk over in the rain, so let's go over early, sit there, do some fucking homework. I'll show you the rain day fit in a second, but we're walking, so later. Ugh. And so it begins. It's already raining. I don't know. Should be an interesting game. I still gotta show you the fit. Hold on. I gotta get up to the press box. I'm putting the corner flags down. Cause why not, man? I'm here this early. Oh, there's a daunting cloud. Oh Lord. Should be an interesting one today. Alright, you probably can't hear me. I can't do it in the press box right now, but I got the rain boots on, the pineapple bathing suit, rain jacket, hat, fucking regular shirt, so. It's halftime now. Play's just about to restart. 1-1. Fucking rain's holding off for now. We'll see how it goes for the men's game. I want you to be mine again, baby. That's ours. Oh, sir, I disagree. Respectfully. I didn't get it, but I saw it. Oh, okay. Nice little catch. No! I should have. I saw it. Flaky. There's like 4 players. Switch it. Can you lose it? Fuck. Ruby. Fucking shit, dog. I don't remember your name. I just followed you today.
Hey, we be counting up. Watch out for them bands go. Hey, hop in my rim and she jump out the Lambo. Hey, run them bands up smooth on the wing.
Finally done. Men's soccer. 2 absolute banger of free kick goals to win the game. I got the celebrations too. I have pizza. I'm still hungry. I'm still thirsty. I gotta go home and do homework. I don't even want to know how many photos are on that SD card, but there's a lot. There might be 4,000 plus across both games. Oh my god. So, and I gotta go home and do homework too. God, I love it though. I wouldn't trade it for the world. This fucking grind. And they look so he scored the free kick goal, opposites 8 there. And then fucking ran towards his bench, sliding down, fucking the double knee to the ground slide. God, I'm fucking good. So, and then I got the celebration too. I'm doing my job. So, a successful night. Now you're still here? You gotta wait till everybody leaves? That's fucking suck. I thought you were out of here when you were standing there.
Hell no. I'm stuck here until everybody leaves.
That sucks.
I think they would eat their show on the bus.
Oh, that sucks. Good night.
Alright, you gotta go.
You too. Fucking the Riverhounds guy. Show. Fuck. Shit, dog. I'm tired. Tired and hungry. Come on. I'll check back later. I gotta walk home now.
Hey, dumping wood, guts all out the window. Hey, married to the money, I ain't never letting go. Hey, baby, it's you out from the bando. Hey, dumping wood, guts all out the window. Hey, married to the money, I ain't never letting go. Baby, it's you out from the fucking bando.
But look at this view, man. Like I was saying, a successful night for Point Park Athletics. Yeah, women's won late, fucking same fashion really. Late towards the end of the game, they scored right outside the box, banger. And then men's the same too. Men's was chippy. Oh, it was so chippy. The ref did not manage the game well at all. But I don't know. My fucking yeah. God, I love this job. Crazy, man. I fucking love my job. I'd like to say I'm good at my job too, you know. But I don't know. Fuck, you know. Look, I'm happy. Crazy. Sheesh. On the ridge now, walking home. Man, look at this fucking city, man. I fucking love it here so far. This is my last Twizzler. Found it deep in the pocket, so. It was good. It is good. Smells like weed. What a surprise. Welcome to the city. Man. Okay, fucking good. What a great night. Great fucking night, lads. Lads and laddies. Ladies? Lads? Lads? Ladies. No.